There are many ways to make money online, and the best option for you will depend on your skills, interests, and experience. Here are some ideas. Freelancing. You can offer your skills and expertise as a freelancer on websites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. You can provide services such as writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, virtual assistants, and more. Selling products online. You can sell products on online marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. You can also create your own online store using platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Online surveys and paid focus groups. You can participate in online surveys or paid focus groups to earn money. Some popular websites that offer these opportunities include Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Taluna. Affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products and earn a commission on each sale. You can sign up for affiliate programs with companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Teaching or tutoring. You can teach or tutor online using platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Skillshare. You can also offer one-on-one tutoring services through websites like TutorMe or Chegg. Creating content. You can create content like blog posts, videos, podcasts, or social media posts and monetize it through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Investing. You can invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets online through platforms like Robinhood, Coinbase, or E-Trade. Remember that making money online takes time and effort. It's important to do your research and choose a legitimate and sustainable way to earn income.